Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, everyone. I'm Chris Jones from Joe Pro Fitness Consulting YouTube channel. Why should you do this exercise? Well, you're going to use the ball. You're going to definitely try to strengthen your back. And how do you do that? You got to use your glutes. This ball bridge engages your glutes at the top of the motion. So definitely squeeze the glute at the top of the motion and pause at the top. Make sure you're getting a nice gym quality ball. I'm going to leave the links in my description to help you get the right one. The last thing, please consult a physician before you start any exercise program. If you have lower back pain and you're cleared by a doctor to exercise, this is a great place to start. It's going to strengthen your back. The way it does it is when you get to the top of the motion, you are releasing your hip flexors. Your hip flexors pull on your hip like a Venetian blind. And if your hips are out of alignment, then you get back pain. So this is a good stretching motion for the hip flex. If you like this information, shoot me a like. If you want more of this information, definitely subscribe to the channel.